This video will contain spoilers of season 2, episodes 1 through 4 of Black Lightning, so you've been warned. Hey everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing episodes 1 through 4 of Black Lightning. So let's begin again. So I really like the idea that Bill found out Joseph's a dandy, his secret dandy, because now they both can really deep dive into finding more information about Dubai as well, and helping freelance, you know what I mean? Like seeing how they, and also seeing their friendship has now becoming a little bit more difficult, which is really interesting to see. So Jefferson isn't the principal of the school anymore, so there's someone else who's the principal, but Jefferson is the teacher now, so the fact that he's still in the school in general really shows that he really cares about the children in Caulfield. He really wants to protect them at all costs. I really think that's really great. It shows that he has character. He really cares about the future of the his students, and him being a history teacher really helps them get away from the green light and all that stuff that's been going on in Caulfield and stuff. Him being a teacher in Caulfield is a good thing for him and for the kids in Caulfield, because Jefferson really wants to connect with the children that are there, and he really wants them to stand for something, and I think that's something great that the show is doing, this showing that the main character really cares about not just himself. It's really interesting to see Jennifer with her powers. Like, they're like being more, maybe advanced is the right word, I don't know, but I think, with her parents, like, just talking to Jennifer, she really can control powers well. She's starting to really learn more about how to control her powers and understand what she's really doing, with them. But sometimes when Jennifer gets, a little crazy with her powers, she accidentally electrocuted her mom a little bit. So I think Jennifer having that lady teach her about her powers and putting in the cube box thing is really a great way for her to control herself with her powers and really just learn how to really use them. And I like that Lynn is working on the parts to protect the children that are actually medals, and it's really gonna be interesting to see how it will end there. It's really interesting to see Anissa wanting to help the church, and so what happens is so there's like, for the parts, there's like the parents of the parts, like they want to sue the government to get their children back. So Anissa is like dressed as a ninja, guys, and she pretty much tries to find money later. So it's really, Jefferson doesn't like the idea of that because it'll put everyone in danger. I wonder what happens when the bias uses that briefcase, for when he uses it. I wonder what's really gonna happen when he activates the case. It's really bummed that Jefferson has no proof that he was there when Tobias was in his house and pretty much taking Jefferson's father's life. I feel like I feel like there will be something out there that will link to Jefferson being there that day. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think that Jefferson will have proved that he was there? That do you feel like there's something out there that will show that he was there and he finally put Tobias behind bars? I feel like Jennifer being around in the end of episode 4 when she was with the scene now next to Khalil. I feel like that will put Jennifer and her family in great danger, and because it may end up having Tobias find out who Black Lightning really is. So Bill ends up finding and capturing Tobias, and you know it's a bummer for Jefferson because the whole purpose of him being Black Lightning was so he can find and capture Tobias, but Bill got to him first. But since Tobias ended up being free, you know, I feel like this could be the opportunity for Jefferson to capture Tobias and give him the justice he deserves. So far, I really enjoyed the season of Black Lightning. I would still like, as of right now, I still like season 1 a little bit better because there's not that much episodes, obviously. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys think about Black Lightning so far. This is it for today's video. Subscribe here if you made it to the end. Here's a favorite YouTube recommends you enjoy. Here's the other reviews of Black Lightning that I've done. I'll see you there.